Smoking. Can you smoke in CVap? Yes, you can definitely smoke in CVap. It does a fantastic job in smoking, but there's a couple caveats. Once it goes smoker, there's two things. It has to go under a hood, and once a smoker, always a smoker.
Yes.
So if you're thinking about turning it into a smoker for a weekend and then back to your bread proofing, lovely retherm, CHV, whatever you got, you might want to rethink that.
Or you'll scrub for a couple hours.
or take it to the car wash and, you know, spray it out, something like that. I've heard stories, but no judgment, whatever. Okay, so you want CVap and you want to smoke in it. What do you do? So you buy your CVap unit. You also get the Smoker Box kit. So what comes with the Smoker Box kit? It's a 2-piece component. It comes with this piece right here, which is the housing. It's got a low voltage heater in the bottom of it. Okay, cutouts on the top of the lid. And then it also comes with a timer portion that goes outside of the unit. This part goes inside the unit on the bottom on a sheet pan, just above the evaporator. This pan goes outside and it gets plugged into a standard wall outlet. And then this gets connected to the skylight. So
correct.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, so you cannot plug in the smoker to the CVap itself. There's no external plug like some other pieces of equipment out there. This is a standalone extra.
Correct. It is an independent piece from the CVap.
Correct.
Okay. So what do you use in the box itself? Well, I use 2 pieces, like combustibles, if you will. You can use chips, something that's like no bigger than your thumbnail, really. These are a standard chip that I got at Kroger, so you can find these anywhere, and any flavor, normally oak, cherry, apple, and there's normally a mix. There's also these beautiful pellets, and these are I think do just a little bit better job. They are more dense, they burn slower, they burn more consistently, and I feel like I have a better smoke experience with the pellets and this burner. Okay, so all you do is you pop these in, boom, plug everything in, put your smoker, put this guy on a sheet pan, put it in the bottom, and then start your program.
One item to mention before you get to the questions is that the wood chips themselves don't need to be soaked like the other pieces of equipment or other smokers. You can put them in dry.
Yep. No need to soak these. Like I said, it's a low voltage heater and they smolder. One thing to note, it takes about a little bit of time for it to heat up. I would say 15 to 20 minutes has been my experience, and I would say that's pretty typical.